For a while, I was lost. Not lost like I didn't have a plan, lost like I couldn't feel myself. I was doing everything, functioning, achieving, showing up, but inside I felt disconnected from my core. And then something shifted in Bali. A spark returned. Spirit whispered to me that you're not lost, you have just forgotten your connection. And that connection is everything. There were nights in Bali where it felt like night spoke through me, not dramatically but quietly. Like something inside me came back online, like my voice returned, my clarity returned, my fire returned. And it wasn't just about feeling good, it was remembering. And when I remembered, I knew my work is to help other people remember too, because I see it everywhere now. People are not weak, people are not lazy, people are not broken, people are just disconnected. So I'm Charul, I'm a meditation practitioner, a leadership coach, a holistic fitness mentor, and I'm building WarriorX not as another brand online, but as a system, a path, a movement. I'm not here to post content for attention. I'm here to build a meaningful economy, top of the value chain, where people actually improve their lives, where people stop chasing and start returning. I come from experience, from pain, from hard work, culture, diversity, travels, education, and heartbreak and challenges, from a simple Indian middle class upbringing to global expansion, from sitting with elders and intellectuals to sitting alone at night questioning everything, from misalignment to mastery. I didn't read this in a book, I lived it. And I'm saying this because I know there are so many people out there right now, high performers, founders, leaders, creators, women, who look fine, but inside they're not okay. They're tired in a way sleep doesn't fix. If you're listening and if you feel off track, I want you to hear this clearly. You're not broken, you just lost connection. And the source is still waiting for you. Patiently, loving, steady, but the world is loud and the world trains you to live in noise, so you stop hearing yourself.